welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I finally have the video that I told you guys. If you guys watched my last video, you guys know that I got the MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020, and this is the video where I show you how I customize my laptop. So pretty much I'll be showing you guys how it looks like in the inside, because that is super cute. I love how it looks right now. I'm going to show you guys how I have it set up and how you guys can make it your own, as well as everything that I purchased for my laptop. So if you guys are ready to look at how I make my laptop super cute and how you guys can make your laptop super cute, then just stay tuned and let's just get started with this video. So this is a keyboard cover and it's so beautiful. It matches the case and it's my favorite. Definitely really enjoy the colors. So there's almost every color, I want to say. It's like a rainbow, but a subtle rainbow. So it has like the pinks, the purples, the blues, even some yellows, and I feel like it just looks super classy, super cute, and I really like how it looks. And it also protects your keys, and it protects the keyboard overall, so I really enjoy that. So here is the background for my desktop. So it is the little twin stars, and I absolutely love this wallpaper. It's so pretty, so cute, and I think it fits very perfect because it's not too crowded, and I just love the image. So it's the little twin stars on a pink cloud with like some drinks, and they're looking up at the sky, looking at all the different shapes and different stars and shooting stars, and I just really love the color combination, and it goes very well with the case that I have, and I love how it just looks all together. It's perfect. Next, I'm going to show you guys something that I just recently learned. So I'm changing my folders into super cute, aesthetically pleasing folders, just like this one that has my name with all my stuff that I could put inside of the folder. And this is like all work stuff. So these are just examples of different folders that I have. And rather than just having like an ugly, like basic folder, you guys can definitely also add it like this and make it super cute. So I'm going to show you guys. Pretty much you're going to Google an image just like that, and I googled this one. It's just a little cloud with rain and rainbow. So I'm going to put new folder. So here's the ugly blue folder, and then we're going to change it. So I'm going to name it cute, and then we're going to customize it. So I'm going to put get info, and then I'm going to look at the info right here, and I'm going to go back to my image here, and I'm going to select edit, copy, and paste. Just kidding. I'm just going to click copy. Make sure it's like an overlay so it's transparent in the background, and then I'm going to click the right there, and I'm going to paste. So command V, sorry. So here it is. So pretty much I just pasted it on there, and now this is my folder. I'm going to show you guys. So here it is. Here is my cute folder now. So I think it's really a nice way to decorate your desktop and get rid of the ugly blue folders and make it super cute. You could choose any images. So here I'm going to also change my Apple ID to this cinema roll, super cute one. So I'm just going to add and save this picture as my icon, and here it is. So I think it's super cute now. I love it. And here is my case. So my case is super colorful. As you guys can see, we have different shades of pink, purple, blue, and it's kind of like randomly splattered on there, and I love how it looks. It's kind of like a super soft finish, but I think it just goes very well with the desktop picture, my background. And here is the back. It comes with just like a simple clear case cover, so I really enjoy that. And I do love the way it looks with the keyboard, as you guys could see. It just looks really well, like the background and then the keyboard all match. So here is the attachment that you guys can attach right there to the laptop, and this is how it looks like. So it just lights up right there, and then you guys have the extension of the ports that you guys could use. So here is the port connector with its box that it came with. So here is the information right there, the USB 6 in one. So it's multifunction and it connects super easily to your laptop like that. And then you could always take it on and off. And here are the ports that it comes with. So like I said, it does come with 6 different ones. So for your SD card, for USB, and the different types. So I really enjoy that, and I really like how it gives you different options. So it's very convenient, very helpful to have, because since it does only have 2 C ports that you guys could connect, which is pretty much for charging, it's much more convenient to have this attachment to be able to use all the different ones. So like I said, this is how it looks like. So here is the overall look of my laptop with the wallpaper in the back and the keyboard as well as the attachment. So it's super cute, super perfect. I love the way it looks with the background, and I love how super cute the icons look as well. And I really hope you guys got inspired, got an idea of what you guys could do to your laptops as well and customize them and make them super cute. I will leave everything down in the description, and I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!